In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI-generated emails using DeepSeek with this quick 2025 guide. First, log into the DeepSeek website and open the chat. To get started, type a simple prompt like write a professional email requesting a meeting or whatever type of email you need. Work emails, school emails, follow-ups, complaints, and more. For better results, add details such as tone, purpose, names, dates, or any key points you want included. If the email feels too long or too short, just say make it shorter, make it more formal, or rewrite this to sound friendlier. And you can also ask DeepSeek to generate multiple versions, add subject lines, or create bullet point drafts if you want to customize the message yourself. Once you're satisfied, simply copy and paste the email into Gmail, Outlook, or your messaging app, and that's it.